Hello everyone, my name is Catherine and I'm going to talk about El Altar volcano. It is known for its many lagoons and its spectacular scenery, possessing great panoramic and recreational potential, a point of interest for tourists who enjoy doing adventure sports. It is located inside the Sangay National Park in Chimborazo province. Altar volcano is located in the Eastern Cordillera. In this place, tourists can go on excursions and get to know the beautiful lagoons and its surroundings, such as Guano City, where people can enjoy the Valle Hermoso Lagoon. Near El Altar volcano, tourists cannot find so many restaurants, but they can choose to bring snacks or some other type of food and have a nice dinner in the midst of a natural charm. El Altar is a volcano in Ecuador where people can practice trekking, climbing, riding, bird watching, and interesting route to visit the lagoons. Tourists can observe a large number of species with great biological importance such as mammals, puma, white-tailed deer, chukuri, and parmogolft. Avifauna, rainbow spike, blue-backed spike, Indian condor, which is in danger of extinction. Flora. The vegetation is dominated by lichens, mosses, and native plants which were mixed. A monadan forest populated by polylepis. Kishore and watch laurel. In this place, it is possible that sustainable tourism occurs because it has clear policies towards the environment and the economic benefits at adventurous for the local community. To access this beautiful snowfall, there are two alternatives by the Via Ribamba Penipe, La Candelaria community. After a 7 kilometers walk you will reach the Coyones Valley where you will camp the first day. On the second day there is a walk of approximately 2 kilometers to the Yellow Lagoon. The second alternative begins of the Via Riobamba Cubijía Esquimiac, from where we started the route until we reached the intake sector. From this point the walk begins to the Puertas sector, 5 hours intake Puertas. From there we can visit the green, blue painted Mandur, Quintecocha, and Engallinado lagoons. Thank you.